What will GJ do today? All right, happy Monday. Let's see what we got for this whore. 4 days whore. So monthly, you understand right now that we are still on this monthly support. We see how the weekly candle, the weekly closed, right? So it's just maintaining these lower highs, these lower high points, which is really good to assume the continuation of sells. All right. So for now, I still believe it's very bearish, but you know, we're having this pullback mainly because, well, one, we need a we need a retracement, and two, it's a monthly zone, so there's still plenty of orders. But in my head, I think it's gonna maintain these lower highs that it's creating right now. So you have lower high, as long as, you know, that is being maintained, should continue for sells. So the two areas that I would be looking for sells in is right here, where price currently is at right now, and right here. Right, so although I do consider this a much bigger play, because this to me is something that's happening on the daily time frame. So we have point A, oopsies, point A, point B, come up to 61.8. So we have the overall target is down here, if you're trading the daily time frame. But if you want to just day trade it, I think a good take profit would be just right at 148.75. That would be pretty good. Realize how it's also touching the backside of this counter trend line. What I would be looking for, okay, so I have this drawn up. I can draw the second one. All right, so these are my two options. These are my two. It's either this one or this one. Ooh, 888 alignment help. But yeah, so smaller, lower time frames, we're still creating and maintaining these higher lows. However, I would just say be mindful of engulfings. And one thing I would want to see, ideally, let's see, it's 824. Yeah, I think seeing a bearish engulfing in here would be a pretty good signal to say, okay, maybe we can continue bearish. But if price continues to push bullish, I think that this would be the next best option for us to continue in sells. And it could definitely come up here because there's a lot of orders there. I do know that. Let's see, is that all? Is that all? Go to 12. Or even here. We don't know. But the main thing is, if you're not going to look for a specific high probability reversal zone that price could reverse off of, just make sure you're looking out for a minor break of support on like the 15 or the 30 minute, because I think that'll be what you need to just look at straight price action and not worry about any zones, because it can get confusing. But that's why we always got to put price action first, right? So, and now let's take a look-see at gold. So 4 hour is bullish, finally, right? Point A, point B. We've only gotten to a 23.6, but when it comes to, I mean, the daily structure is already bullish, so I wouldn't be surprised if it just said up 23.6, boom, and then continued, because, you know, hella pressure. But let's go to the smaller time frames and see. So right now we're high. It's maintaining its lower highs for the moment. I'm gonna put this right here. See there, is it even close to like a daily level? Let's see, it's 826. Lower low, lower high, lower low. We gotta assume that it's gonna continue bearish because this little pattern of lower lows and lower highs hasn't stopped yet. Also, if price was like, damn, it's kind of tricky because it can use any of these high possibility reversal levels to, you know, go bullish off of. But at the same time, you got to put price action first. Yeah, so the 4 hour is bullish. So all you would really have to wait for is a minor break of 30-minute resistance before you start buying long term to this negative 27% take profit. But hold on. You can be smart and trade when there's news, because you know it'll go with structure, or you know, do some type of movement that'll help the completion of structure. So I don't think I'm gonna be trading gold unless I see something really, really nice. Look, see, it's already starting to go back bearish just a little bit because it's not done with this little lower lows and lower highs bit. So yeah. We'll see what it do.